Good morning. I would like to demonstrate on how to take tape, that nasty either duct tape or masking tape or any type of tape, that sticky part off the surface. Anyways, what I usually just use is a basic nail polish remover with a little bit of alcohol. What I do is you can see the surface right here. Fingers at. It's got that nasty tape, that sticky stuff that's always left. So all I'm going to do is rub some on here. And it usually takes about a few seconds for it to, as you can see, it's still kind of sticky on top. But if you rub it in a little bit more, I mean, it literally takes a few seconds for it to come off. Let's see it. Let that dry a little bit. See, it's completely gone. And then we'll try another surface where there's some of that. You want to get as much of the tape off of there, with your fingernail or with a blade or whatever, so you can really get that sticky part off. And then we'll work on getting it with a little bit of that nail polish remover. And and of course, this is talking about duct tape or any type of masking tape or anything like that. So we're gonna put some more on this here. Like I said, just give it a couple of seconds for it to like eat up that stickiness of it. It looks like that's a scratch on there that was not made by me, but it looks like a deep scratch that somebody was covering up, obviously. But it looks like it took off all that tape off of that. Let's go look at this other one, how it dried up. So yeah, there it is, your tape remover, I guess the sticky part. So try some nail polish remover.